Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal bulb on this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. Alright guys, pop the hood. There's a latch under here. You're just going to push it up and lift the hood. And your bulbs are right behind here. Alright, you're going to reach right behind here, and it's going to feel like something flat, like a paddle like that. You're gonna twist it to the left or counterclockwise, and here's your bulb right here. All right guys, this bulb, you're just gonna pull it out. Once you get your new one, you're just gonna insert it and it clips right in. That's it. All right, to install the bulb, just gonna have to feel for it really, because you're gonna have to put it back in the hole, and when it's like fully seated, turn it clockwise like that to lock in place. This side, same way. You're just gonna reach in here, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. That's your bulb. To put it in, stick it back in the holder, and then turn it, twist it clockwise to lock in place, and that's it. Check it out guys. That's all that's to it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.